James from Vintage Bricks, 6247 Bounty Boat, one of the best sets, brick per brick, that Lego ever put out in the pirate theme. Come on in and enjoy.